Well, we're putting the finishing touches on the project house, which means we're installing the permanent furniture. I call cabinets permanent furniture because it's got that fine wood furniture finish, but it is permanent. We're not going to move it around or change our minds later, so we really need to plan ahead. We're fortunate enough to be working with Tasha Burns from Armstrong Cabinets. And Tasha, thanks for joining us.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Huge kitchen. A lot of planning had to go into effect. What do you have to think about?
Things to consider would be whether or not you're going to have one or more chefs in the kitchen, if you really enjoy cooking.
Can a kitchen have more than one chef?
Definitely.
Okay.
This one can. This can have several.
Okay.
You want to consider different work areas. You may want several if you have children or grandchildren visiting. Maybe you can have a special place for baking. Also think about whether or not you buy food in bulk or small quantities, because that will affect your storage space.
Okay. Well, obviously, you plan for this to be a big family in this house because, I mean, turn around and look at this island. This thing is huge.
It's incredible.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Well, this island allows for lots of workspace, and we've got great opportunities with cabinets underneath here.
Yeah. Got a bread warmer here down below. Like
Cabinets
this.
above and below.
Yeah, storage space everywhere. I like that a lot.
And all of our drawers have the extra depth and width for large pots and pans.
Okay.
Great for storage.
Big strainers, everything, we can fit it in there. Now, this is the sink side, so you wouldn't think there'd be a lot of storage on this side, but there's even storage areas in there.
Yes, to the left and right we have spice racks, which is conveniently located across from the stove.
I noticed today you have good use of the space even in the corner. Show me what you got there.
Yes.
Great use of the space in the corner. I mean, we'll be able to reach everything with these Lazy Susans in here, won't we?
These are wonderful because they maximize all of your space and it really personalizes your organization.
Yeah, I like that a lot. Now I know a pantry is really a huge corner and you've maximized that. Let's go take a look over here.
We've definitely gone overboard.
Yeah, Tasha, I would say this is overboard. This is an unbelievable pantry.
It's definitely a dream pantry.
Yeah, I like, again, the use of all the storage space, Lazy Susans on top and on bottom both. I mean, we can get to everything. It's nice.
We've got great counter space in here if you want to prepare some of your appetizer foods. You've got a sink in here, and the nice thing is you can make a mess and just walk away and close the door and your guests won't see anything.
I like that a lot, and I love how tall the cabinets are. I mean, all the storage space, you can put anything in this room.
Lots of room for any type bulk foods, canned goods, cleaning supplies.
Yeah, and adjustable shelves. I noticed you put holes in there, so really anything, it'll work, and it's actually on both sides of the room. I like that a lot. Beautiful, functional, stylish.
And organized.
And organized. Can we go outside and you talk a little bit about the style that you chose there in the kitchen?
That would be great.
Okay.
The style our staff and the homeowner chose is a traditional style cherry cabinet, and we've got a beautiful dark rich finish on here. We've also accented the mullion doors with an etched glass pattern. It's wonderful because you can do your china and collectibles inside the cabinets.
Glass shelves with the glass panel. I like that a lot.
You can see right through.
I really like the trims, the moldings, everything that you've put all along the cabinets, not just a corner.
We've also added, these are fluted fillers and wood medallions, which also accent the architecture and the doorways of the home.
Yeah, it really matches up nicely. And like I said earlier, I like the profile changes, how the cabinets jut in and out like that. And especially this wall over here. I mean, you've got
all the alternating heights and depths.
Yeah, and 3 different profiles that it comes out. I like that. And the crown molding really looks good along the top.
We finished out the tops with a royal crown and then placed a rope molding on top. You can get creative with your molding. You can even paint the rope.
Okay, anything you want to do. And over here, the racks on the corner next to the window, that really looks nice.
Lots of room for knickknacks.
Tell me a little bit over here on the other side of the kitchen, though, between the great room and the kitchen itself, under the archway. Describe what you've done here.
One of my favorite areas. We have an open view from the kitchen into the great room, and we've added peninsula glass cabinets, and they're actually structured into the archway, as you can see. And the arch on the wall cabinets match the doorway.
And with the glass on both sides, you could really use it to display anything that you like.
Right.
Yeah. Now, we call that the great room because it's the family room, but you guys built another great room in this house.
Yes, we did.
I want to go see this hobby room. Well, Tasha, this is one beautiful hobby room. They must not have very messy hobbies.
No.
This is sharp. Tell me a little bit about it.
This is the homeowner's favorite room, I think, and mine as well. This area over here is great for storage. With the sink, you can do flower arranging, anything that you want to do. Easy cleanup countertops. This is a very unique feature and something fun. You can put your wrapping paper in these drawers and then actually just roll it out on the countertop, cut it, and you're ready to do your packages.
Oh, that is nice. And I love the way the countertop overhangs, so you can slide chairs underneath there or
Right.
stools. And
Lots of extra storage down here.
yeah, you're talking about storage. Tell me about this. I mean, this is tall, plenty
These
of
are
space.
wonderful.
Yeah, this is great. Oh wow,
Easy
pull-out
pull-out
shelves.
trays.
Love that. So really, any hobby.
Any
doesn't matter
hobbies,
what it is.
paper, anything that you want to organize inside here.
Yeah, I love that. And up top, very, very deep storage areas, isn't it? That's great. And again, adjustable shelves.
Right.
I like that a lot. Tasha, thanks for all the help. Looks great.
Thank you very much.